Good day, everyone. This is Orlan Tiwachon from Cotabato City, Philippines. I will discuss regarding MMM ideology, rules, and how it works. What is MMM? MMM stands for Mabrudi Mondial Movement. It is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. Millions of people from different countries have already registered in our community. We donate money when we can do it, and we get money when we need it. It is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other in a peer-to-peer system and no central account. MMM gives you a technical basic training which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. It is not a company, and it does not have the accounts where participants have to transfer their money to. All transferred funds to other participants are your help given by your own goodwill, absolutely gratis. If you are completely confident and certain in your actions and make your mind to participate, we kindly ask you to study carefully all warnings and instructions first. In cases of any matter regarding the topic, our online consultants are ready to help and answer all your questions. MMM openly declares that all the money is redistributed between members and is not invested in any business projects or securities. Relations between participants of MMM are built on not by contracts and obligations, but on trust and mutual respect. This allows the community to adapt quickly to changing external and internal conditions. Founder of MMM Sir Sergey Mavrudi is the founder of the MMM social financial community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. Having a degree in mathematics, he worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating systems. The company he founded was one of the leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they are sold in bookstores. Two of his screenplays were made into movies and his poems were turned into songs. Information about MMM. MMM is global and widespread, thanks to the Bitcoin technology and of course to the internet. It has 138 million members in 107 countries. In 4 years of activity, more than $14 billion assistance provided worldwide. MMM is the fastest growing community of people in the world because MMM is 100% legal in the whole world. Goals of MMM: help all the people in the world, spread the money among people so that they can gain financial freedom, and creating a new fair financial relationship among people. Advantages of MMM: an additional 30% MAVO rewards per month for your provide help or donation. an additional 10% Mavro development bonus for your help made by people you invited to MMM, whether your friends, relatives, acquaintances, and etc. Additional $20, $50, or even $100 Mavro bonuses for your first help or your registration bonus, and additional 20% to 100% Mavro rewards per month with MMM Extra. An additional 5% Mavro rewards for your video of happiness after you get help, plus a lot of bonuses from the MMM Managers Guiders School. How does it work? Let's say you donate 1,000 pesos from your heart. You will receive 1,000 worth of Mavros with 30% growth rate per month, and will continue to grow until such time you decide to get help from the community. And with MMM Extra, your Mavros can grow up to 100% monthly. Now, how to compute the future value of your donation? We can use this formula, where FV stands for future value of donation, I for growth rate per month, and N for time period. So, your 1,000 pesos donation with 30% monthly growth in 12 months, your Mavros will grow to 23,298 pesos in 1 year. That's more than 23 times of your donation. That's how great MMM is. Sending and receiving donations. We are using Bitcoins in sending our PH or provide help, and receiving our GH or get help from MMM participants all over the world. You can sign up for a free Bitcoin wallet at blockchain.info. Development bonus. You get an additional 10% Mavro from all provide help or PH of the participant you invited to MMM. Inviting new participants into the community is your additional contribution to its development. But nobody forced the members of the community to invite new participants. But at the same time, understanding that the MMM community can't exist without development and participants' encouragement in the form of referral bonuses to motivate many people to take an active position. The MMM Managers Guiders Schooling. What are the advantages of being a manager or a guider? Manager or guiders of MMM community can create their structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structures. A manager or guider can have his own leader whose rank is higher. Manager's bonus depends on his level in the community. You can also create your own offline events and charity events to receive budget from the MMM community. But you need to get your manager's or guider certificate to be entitled to many opportunities and benefits in MMM. So, let's now take action. Practice the power of giving. Be a blessing to those who are in need. Because in MMM, possibilities are endless. And together, we can change the world. Long live MMM! Thanks for watching.